Hi guys, welcome. It's your mentor Shaquel Samaai, and it is the 23rd of January 2024. And this lesson will be going over the TFE candlestick reading, how to actually read the chart with simple price action things like called candlesticks. Now, these things are imprinted, or these technicals are imprinted on the chart. So when you look at a chart, you'll see something called candlesticks. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how I, Shaquel Samaai, the author of the TFE Precision Concepts, how we read the TFE candlesticks, right? So we call it candlestick reading. And it's a very important part of our strategy and the way we approach the market. With that being said, guys, the Precision Concepts, we focus on who is in strength, right? The topic is here, who is in strength and where liquidity lies or where liquidity is. A very important thing. Because with that being said, if you understand who's in control by simply reading the candlesticks, you'll be able to know who you should be going with, right? You don't want to be going against the actual strength of the market. You want to continue with them. And most times traders tend to go against that, right? Because they don't know how to read actually the language of the forex market. So what's the language of the forex market, guys? But with that being said, guys, before we go any further in this video, the video of how to read candlesticks for beginners, please do like and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also with that being said, join the free group in the description. And let's begin, guys, But first in mind, we need to start with pulling out the journals and write down so we know when we learn these valuable things, we write them down and we can go apply it. Okay, guys? Now, let's begin. These are things you have to keep in mind, okay? Keep in mind that a big body candle shows strength. A small body candle shows weakness and slowdown. Long wicks indicate liquidity and orders. Short wicks means low liquidity and orders. All this, I will elaborate much more further, guys. Just let's sit down and we're going to first understand the autonomy of a candlestick. Now, with that being said, guys, in a candlestick, or on a candlestick, there are different sections that we need to take note of. Very, very important. And I'm going to just use this little red highlight to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, guys? So every candle has a body, which is this big thing. You see this in the red, is well, in black, green, that there, this black here, it's called a body. We have as lines, which are called wicks. Okay, and then every candle has a high and a low. A high and a low. Every candle has an open and close. Open and close. But write this down. Write this down. I think you should write this down, guys. Right? Bullish candles. Opens. Right? Candles. This is very important. Write this down. If you do know it, great stuff. Right? Opens at the top, at the bottom, sorry, at the bottom, and closes at the top. Okay, and then the bearish, right? The bearish one, we have an open at the top. Remember, open at the top and a close at the bottom. You see, it's the opposite, right? Remember this. We want to remember this, guys. Remember this because in the day, guys, this is very important. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. A bullish candle. This is green one, it's a bullish. It says it opens here at the bottom. And it shows the strength of market going up. It shows the orders running in and filling in with buyers. And it closes at the top. That shows that the strength was at the buyers more than the sellers. And that should be you able to read in the chart that, okay, the buys are kicking in right here. They're showing the strength in the market. And maybe it's by time I continue with the strength in the market. But of course, there's more to this. Right now, we're just reading the candlesticks, and I'm able to show you this on the chart when we're done, okay? Let's go to the bearish one. It opens at the top, and who gets stronger here? The sellers shows that they are in order. They are in what do you call it? In strength. They are the ones holding the session and pushes it all the way down. So that's a very important thing right there, guys. We need to be able to spot that up, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is a small body. Okay, small body shows weaknesses. If a candle does this, it shows that, you know, in the session of this candle, the buyers was once upon a time strong, the sellers were once upon a time strong, they closed up short. So it's indecisive. Also, what we call this, when it kind of looks like this, it's showing market is slowing down in that particular direction it's going. Let's say it's going bullish and it does this here. It shows that the bullishness is coming to an end slowly. Eventually, there will be some sort of sellers trying to take control. Maybe not for too long, or maybe it actually does take control fully. There's a lot more to this. But that is what you need to remember right now. The same with the sellers right now. The sellers, you can see this market is selling, 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 and then boom, it happens like this. What happens is telling you that, okay, you know, it's a slowdown in orders. Because if it was really that strong, to continue creating this bearish, big engulfing candles. Now, I'm not really worried about what's the name of the candle. Knowing the names of the candles is not going to make you money, but understanding the autonomy and the psychology behind these candlesticks is what's going to make you money. How to react towards what every candle is doing, that's going to make you money. Not singing, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, even star, whatever the case. I don't give two shits about it, honestly. Because you know why? You can sing all of those things of what candlestick is the name, but you won't be able to actually read the tape or read the candlestick by what it's trying to tell you. And right here, you can see on the next one, guys, we have wicks or orders. If you guys are liking this, please do like this video, guys. Also, just before I go any further, I want to really help you guys, you know, elevate yourself. I'm going to show you guys down in the description the platform that I've been using, right? Very, very great, guys. I promise you, I can give my word to that. The platform is giving us 60% of all challenges. There's a link in the description. Click that link, guys, and start applying this and then use a code. Use a link, use a code, and you get 60% of all challenges of prop firms, right? Now, with that being said, also, guys, I can help you pass that prop firms. Okay, so you can just all you need is a little, like about $38 for the prop firm and then $53 for us to help you. So you just need about $91 and we can start making an income for you on the forex market. Moving on, guys. With that being said, guys, wicks are orders, right? So wicks are orders. What I mean by this, that a wick tells us a story. It was once upon a time there. You understand? It went to collect orders. So let's look at the buying thing. It shows it opens, right? Market push down, boom, 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 boom. Who was pushing that market down? Sellers. But what happened? Buyers got so much stronger before the session closed, before the candle closed. It starts pushing it all the way back and closes on top. Think about that. It opens, right? Market drops down, boom, 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 boom. Shows the sellers are trying to take control. And then what happens? Buyers gets more stronger and brings all the back up. So who's strong in it? The buyers. And it just says you want to collect orders. So this is orders. This is basically collecting some liquidity and starts running in that direction. With this, you want to continue looking for the buys. Okay? You're selling the opposite. You can see that market literally opens up, boom. Buyers kicks in, pushing, thinking they're winning and grabbing, and more people are jumping in. Eventually, what happens? Boom! Sellers are taking control and they close below where they open, showing that they are rejecting the buyers. They are showing that they're in control, and that is basically selling pressure right there. This year shows us liquidity of sellers. This shows us liquidity of buyers. Now, again, once again, guys, it's your author Shaquel Samaai at the forex ELITMENT TFE. And I'm going to move over to the chart right now to show you guys exactly how we start reading the tape on the chart, you know, the psychology behind the market. And you guys can start applying this on the charts, guys, and enjoy this. Once again, guys, if you want to join the VIP singles, click the link in the description. There's a VIP singles there, the prop firm is there, all the good stuff, guys, and the free group so you guys can continue learning. But I want to move on to the chart right now so I can show you guys exactly how we actually do this. Let's enjoy it right now. So I'll just go through the high time frame just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll choose a random section. Okay, guys, just to maybe start off a random section just to show you guys what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Okay, let me show you guys something. Look at this. You have a massive candle, big bearish candle with a nice wick on top as well. But look, who's in control in this candle? Sellers. And guess what happens? You are looking for continuation in sells, guys. You know, you're looking for continuation in sells. Eventually, the market sells down. That is basically what we're trying to do over here. Okay, you can see right here we have a candle comes up. Okay, nice equal wicks on both sides, maybe still strong, but look what happened. Next candle opens, boom. Hey, this is a bit confusing. There's wicks on both sides. It's like strong at the bottom. What's happening, Shaquel? No. I stay away. Eventually, market shows you this type of candle, says, oh, wait. It's indecisive. It's slowing down. And eventually, market shows you who's in control. So again, guys, I'm going to show you on a lower time frame. Much more better for you guys what I'm talking about, okay? Have a moment here. Have a look at this here for a moment, okay? Have a look at this. We come into a nice, let's say, turning point right here. We're going to talk about this for a moment. We come into a turning point right here, okay? The market shows you a great rejection on a turning point. That is a sign of what? Remember, there are sellers right here and buyers. So there's liquidity here, right? You see liquidity. There was a liquidity right over here. That's liquidity over there. Okay, we can see the liquidity. Let me show you something. Focus. Just focus right now. Liquidity pumps down. Boom. Market grabs the liquidity. Boom. You see, it was bearish. They're showing people it's bearish. And then who came in? The buyers came in. The sellers was pushing the market down for a moment right here. And eventually what happens? The buyers starts kicking in. With a liquidity push, rejecting the downside and closing nice and bullish for us to show us who's in control. The buyers. You understand? Look at that. To show us the buyers are in control. Now, again, look at that. Nice move going up. I'll show you guys another one, okay? Just bear with me. Just bear with me. I'm going to show you guys some moves, okay? Just bear with me. I want to do a little one for you guys on this side right here. Let's do a trade analysis for you guys, okay? So you guys can understand how to actually use this into your advantage. Because remember, it's all about knowing how to use it, because these things must be used not on its own, but with other tools. Other tools, traders, not alone, but with other tools. So I'm going to just go back. Let's go right here. Okay, let's begin, guys, okay? I'm on the 15-minute time frame right now, and we're going to do a little bit of understanding. Yesterday, I explained to you guys the precision box. Watch here. We have a great precision box right here, guys. Okay, watch at the bottom. Rejects. Market opens. Nice and bullish. Shows us who's in control. Right? Patiently waiting. You can see that. Market shows us who's in control again. Who's in control? The buyers. You understand? The buyers came back to test, and the buyers are showing you who's in control right here. Okay? It's that simple. So again, guys, all you need to be doing is able to understand what's happening here before the market. Here was the sign right here. You didn't see it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There was a numerous amount of signs. Let me show you guys. I hope you saw it ahead of time. Okay. Here's the liquidity point. Right. And watch what happens. Market push down. But look what happens. It comes down. Boom. And what does it come down with? Have a moment there. With a nice wick at the bottom. The next candle again. Nice body. Buyers. Wicks again. And where it's wicking on? It's wicking on a liquidity area. That's the two signs. There's two signs already. So now you have this thing, okay? You patient wait, you have your indication already. There we go, market breaks up again. Now it's all about reading the highs and lows of these candles. Now we're gonna go a little more deeper, okay, guys? Stick with me, and we're going to go a little more deeper. Every candle is important. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Every candle is very important in the moment. Okay, guys? Every candle is very important in the moment. Let's have a look. Let's have a look for a moment here. Every candle is important. The market is about to open. Let's look, and it opened. Okay, here we go. Big candle, wicks on both sides, indecisive. The next candle shows us who's in control. Buyers. Now, I want to show you something. I know buyers in control, but I want to show you guys a little trick. I use this little tool here. Okay? And again, guys, if you want to know more about this, just comment down below in the description. Teach me the TFE levels. Teach me the precision levels. Teach me the precision levels. Comment that down below. So I use this from the high, the low and the high of the candle, and I know around 50% these levels I should get about a trade. Very important, guys. Around this level, I should get a trade going higher. Somewhere around this trade, I'll get a trade. There we go. Right there is my trade. And all I need is a 1 is to 2. Remember this. That's all I need is a 1 is to 2 from that area. Guys, it's simple. It's all about focusing and trusting the analysis. Look at you in profits. Look at that. And take profit in. What I just shared here, it's so deep. I've shared something that you've probably never seen before. And I'm telling you guys, I know this because this is from my own wisdom, my own experience of 5 years in the market. I want to share it more with you guys. I really want to share so much with you guys, but I'm going to leave it here. And if you guys really want more, I hope you guys learn just how to read a simple candlestick. I'll do another example with you guys just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, it's all about using an AOI, area of interest, or a liquidity area. It's very important. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What is this? Liquidity on top right here. You want to know how to draw liquidity, how to find liquidity? Comment down below. Teach you about liquidity, how to find liquidity, how to do the precision levels. If you comment these things down below, I will look at the comments, and what is really needed, I will, of course, teach you guys that. It's like this YouTube is about to, like a mentor show. Watch here. Watch this area right now, okay? Look at this candle. Now you tell me, is that strong? Who's strong there? Comment down below. Right now, who do you think is strong right here? Who was strong at this last example? This is the last example, guys. Who was strong at the last example right now? Comment now. I'll give you guys 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if you're right. Okay? Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. I'll give you another chance. 5. Comment now. Comment now. Who do you think is stronger? Buyer or seller? I'm gonna just look at the wick. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's stronger? Sellers. Why? You can see that the market buyers pushed the market all up into liquidity, rejected it, came all the way back. It shows us that the sellers are stronger. And then what happens? It eventually gets some strength. And continue now. Now, guys, this is the power I want to share with you. Like this video. Please do like this video. Take a moment right now. Share it with a friend that needs help. Okay? And if you need help to actually pass firms and make an income, because remember, all you need is $100, about $91 if you start making about $1,000 a month. Trust me, guys. If I could show you what I'm talking about, we buying prop firms, a $10,000 prop firm account with the best prop firm right now. I'm trusting this is the only prop firm, and I'll continue trading. It's my main prop firm, and I'll continue trading them. The link is in the description. and there's a code for you guys to get 60% off. That the forex funder, they're really good guys, I promise you. One thing I can tell you about them is that at least they're helping us. If we get a $10,000 account right now, you get 60% off it, right? So you're only going to pay $38 for it, right? Then you get signals, and we risk 1% of the account to make risk to 1:2. Just 8 trades, and you will pass the funded account. And then what happens? We start making money. You just make about 10 good trades. You make $1,000 to $2,000 on a $10,000 account. Now you're starting to make 40,000 Rand with only a simple investment of $91. Open your mind, listen to what I said. Your dreams cannot crumble before you. Okay? I really need the TFE community to elevate. And what I have to say, guys, you're making sure